Good morning, sweet 8th class students. We are here for you with revision test of geography that carry 20 marks. And questions are like this. First fill up carrying for 4 marks. I will read for you all the fill ups. Then we have short answers carrying 8 marks, distinguished 4 marks, and one long question 4 marks. Like this I have given you. So let us see. First fill in the blanks. Question number 1. First of all, I put a blank. Is the most densely populated continent in the world? Blank is the most densely populated continent in the world, full stop. Second, the difference between the dash and the dash, it carry half mark, gives the natural increase in population. The difference between dash and the dash gives the natural increase in population, it carry half mark. The population density, third question, the population density of the world is about dash or blank persons per square kilometer. So this is also a fill up, carry 1 mark. Question fourth. In a population pyramid, a broad base shows higher BR. BR full form I will not tell you. It is a part of fill up also. So you have to detect yourself. And a broad base and broad top shows higher dash. I repeat, in a population pyramid, a broad base shows higher BR and a broad top shows higher blank. One blank is there. So total 5 blanks are here in this, but it carry 4 marks because question number 2 carry half of marks fill up. They are very small answers. Come on next questions. Now, here are short questions which carry 8 marks. Number 1, which section of population comprises the main workforce? I repeat, which section of the population comprises the main workforce? Question mark. What is mean by density of population? What is mean by the density of population? It also carry 2 marks. Each question carry 2 marks. Third question. When is a country thought to have an optimum population? When is a country thought to have an optimum population? Carrying 2 marks. Fourth question. What is a population pyramid? What is a population pyramid? Question mark. It carry 2 marks. Now let us move on. Third question. Distinguish between. Third main heading is distinguish between. It has 2 parts, 2 marks each. Number 1, you have to distinguish between birth rate and death rate. Then you have to distinguish between overpopulation and underpopulation. 2 points you can write. I have given you 3 points. Any 2 points a student can write. Then question fourth is a long question. What is a human resource? Question mark. Why it is important for a country? So this is a long question, so carrying 4 marks. Complete your test. Then after some time, I'm sending you answers as well as holiday homework. Till then, do it.